every day for my family in America. My son Firoz, my daughter-in-law Wilhelmina, German girl, so lovely, very clean. In India, they say Germans make the best wives. Their children, Susan, Nina's, Danny, and Mark. What is it, Mike? Every day, I miss them very much. I was very proud when my son Firoz went to America to study. He always excelled in his maths. Like his father, he was a scholar. So I was very proud when Firoz became an engineer. Such a good son. He always sends the money home at the beginning of each month. And when he became an engineer, he sent us this refrigerator. This refrigerator comes to Pakistan from America. Back then we did not have such things. Could not imagine how wonderful it was. We plugged it in and it made such a big noise. Hum! And after a while we put our hands inside and we could feel the cold air. So we put some water inside. And after a few hours, it was ice cold. Could not imagine how wonderful it was to have ice cold water in our home for the first time. And soon, after that, all the neighbors in the compound, upstairs, downstairs, come to see this refrigerator and to taste the ice water. And then they come with a bit of mutton or chicken to say, please Mrs. Kanga, can you keep this fresh for me until later? First it was no problem, but then everybody comes with mutton, chicken, lamb, Bombay duck, even beef. It is like a market. And my sister-in-law says, "Bus! No more neighbor shaver in the refrigerator." What can I say? The Prophet Zarathustra says, we Parsis must speak good words, think good thoughts, and perform good deeds. But it is my sister-in-law's kitchen. I don't even know how to boil water. When my son went to America, I was very proud. But sometimes I am very lonely. My husband died many years ago, but I still miss him so. They have everything I need, even ice water. But my son and his family are very far away. Very far away.